Pranayama, it means the power of breath. If our power of breath will be strong, then bacteria, it will be touch us and will go out. So this reason pranayama is life. So we do pranayama. We start it. Firstly, it's called a Lom Anulom Pranayam. Pranayam, you can do it even sit on the chair if you are in your office, if you are in your workplace, anywhere you are. The most important thing is that your backbone should to be straight. Your backbone should to be straight. Use your right hand. Inhale from your right nostril. Left nostril, long exhaling. Left nostril, inhale. Right nostril, long exhaling. Long inhale. Opposite, long exhaling. Inhale. Opposite, long exhaling. It's very simple method. If you are taking inhale for like 20 seconds, trying to exhaling more than 40 seconds, or if you do a more, then it will be more better, because it will increase your power for breathing. Because as we all know that we can live without drinking water, but we cannot live without taking oxygen. And it's also very helpful to improve our chest, because if our chest, it will be improved, it will have enough oxygens, then any bacteria, any virus, it will never affect. Look at me once more. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Now we are going to do our next one, and this one, it's called Bhramari. Bhramari Pranayam, very good for improving our memory, improving our eyesight power, improve our communication skill, and very helpful to increase in our body immune system. How we do? Easiest method I am going to show you. In this method, we will have to follow that not any outer sound like a people's music, any outside sound, it should not to come inside in our ear. So close it. Which one you feel comfortable? If you are feeling comfortable by palm, you can close it, or if you are feeling too comfortable to close by your index finger, you can do it. Anyone, up to your comfortability. Same, keep your backbone straight. Inhale. Exhaling, sound like a humming bee. Inhale. Exhaling, sound like a humming bee. Inhale. Exhaling, sound like a humming bee. And when you finish it, put off your palms slowly, don't be a rush. Relax. After like 1 minute or 2 minutes after, then after open your eyes slowly, don't rush. And Bhramari Pranayam, very useful for our upper part of our body. You can do it minimum 10 to 12 times. We have done here less time for showing you, but when you will practice 10 to 12 times, and after doing it you can feel little like stretching, so you can do a next for making a more flexibility to here, and same time this is also very good for chest. How? Inhale. Take a long inhale according your capacity, because when you are stretching it up, you can feel that this part is stretching to up. Exhaling. Inhale. Take a long inhale, exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. And after finish it, take a little relax. And now we will do it chanting, and after we'll finish it. Join your palm. Take a deep inhale and exhaling, sound like a Om. Om.